Hi, my name is Delaney Myrick. I am a junior at Villanova University, and I am a bio major and an English minor. So I'm taking this class because it's a prereq for physician assistant school, which I aspire to accomplish in the years to come. And I'm really excited to be here at University of New England because this is a vital course to being successful in a doctor's office setting, which I currently am a part of, and I want to further enhance my skill set as well as complete this prereq for physician assistant school. So the word in the textbook that I have chosen to discuss the history of is postnatal. Post is the prefix meaning after in time or sequence, and then nat or nat is the root meaning birth. Al is a suffix meaning pertaining to. Post is a word-forming element meaning after, from the Latin post, meaning behind, after, or afterwards. It's also Old Church Slavonic po meaning behind or after, or posdu meaning late. It's also Lithuanian by past, which means at or by, and it's also Greek apo or apo meaning from. And then on the other hand, natal is borrowed from Latin natalis, or natal, from natus, perfect active participle of nascar, meaning I am born, which makes sense because the root word means birth. And then, last but not least, al, which is the suffix, it means pertaining to, and is from Latin adjective suffix alus. So that's a little bit about postnatal. I'm looking forward to this class and hearing back from everyone else. Okay, thank you.